Hi friends, I'm Kevin. Today we'll learn how to ask for and give directions. You'll hear 5 short conversations in real-life situations. Let's get started. Scene 1. Asking for the nearest supermarket. A newcomer has just moved to the city and is walking down the street looking for a supermarket.
Hi, excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
I'm new in the city. I just moved here last week. Do you know where the nearest supermarket is?
Welcome to the city. Yes, there's one not far from here.
That's great. I need to pick up some groceries.
Sure. So, from here, walk straight for 2 blocks. You'll see a gas station. Turn left at the corner.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the gas station. Got it.
Exactly. The supermarket is right next to a pharmacy. There's a big green sign that says Fresh Market.
That sounds easy to spot. Is it a big place?
Yes, it's pretty big. They have fresh produce, snacks, and household items.
Perfect. I need fruits, milk, and some cleaning supplies.
Then you'll find everything you need there.
Awesome. One more thing. What time do they close?
I think they close around 9 p.m., but it's better to go before 8 if you want more choices.
Thanks for the tip. I'll head there now.
Do you want me to help you find it on your phone map?
Oh yes, please. I'm still getting used to the streets.
No worries. Here it is. Just follow this route.
You've been so helpful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy shopping and welcome again.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Key phrases. I just moved here. I just moved here. Where's the nearest supermarket? Where's the nearest supermarket? Walk straight for 2 blocks. Walk straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the gas station. Turn left at the gas station. It's next to the pharmacy. It's next to the pharmacy. Do you want help with the map? Do you want help with the map? Scene 2. Lost item. Asking for the lost and found. A tourist visiting a large shopping mall realizes she lost her bag. She starts to feel anxious and asks a mall employee how to get to the lost and found office.
Hi, excuse me. I think I lost my bag somewhere in the mall. Do you know where the lost and found is? Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Yes, the lost and found office is on the 1st floor, near the main entrance. 1st floor near the entrance? Okay, how do I get there from here? You're on the 3rd floor now. Take the escalator down 2 levels. When you reach the ground floor, turn left. You'll see a big sign that says Customer Service. Great! Is the lost and found part of customer service? Exactly. Just go to the counter and tell them what you lost. Thanks. I lost a small black backpack. It has my passport and phone inside. That sounds important. You should go there right away. Yes, I'm really worried. I only left it for a minute. I think it might be near the food court. They often receive items from that area. Hopefully someone turned it in. I hope so too. Thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. If you can't find it, come back and we'll help you check the cameras. Okay, thank you again. I'll go now. Good luck. I hope you get it back.
Key phrases. I lost my bag. I lost my bag. Where is the lost and found? Where is the lost and found? Take the escalator down. Take the escalator down. Turn left at the entrance. Turn left at the entrance. Hopefully someone turned it in. Hopefully someone turned it in. Go to customer service. Go to customer service. Scene 3. Finding a lost child at the mall. A mother is shopping with her 4-year-old son in a busy shopping mall. The child suddenly wanders off.
Liam? Liam. Oh no, where did he go?
Attention! Mrs. Green, your son is safe. Please come to the security office on the 2nd floor near the food court.
Thank goodness. I need to get there right away. Excuse me, I just heard an announcement about my son. Can you tell me where the security office is? Yes, of course. It's on the 2nd floor near the food court. How do I get there from here? Take the escalator right over there. Go up, then turn left. The office is next to the big map sign. Thank you so much.
Are you Mrs. Green?
Yes, I am.
Here's your son. He's just fine. He was playing near the toy store.
Oh, Liam, you scared me. Thank you so much for keeping him safe.
No problem. We're just glad he's okay.
Mommy, I saw a big robot.
Let's stay together now, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Key phrases. I just heard an announcement. I just heard an announcement. Where is the security office? Where is the security office? Take the escalator, turn left. Take the escalator, turn left. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You scared me. You scared me. Scene 4. Lost in the city. A female tourist is walking around downtown trying to find the museum.
Hi, excuse me. I'm trying to find the city museum, but I think I'm lost. Sure, I can try to help. Where are you coming from? I got off the subway at King Station. Oh, I see. The museum is actually just a few blocks away from here. Really? I must have walked past it or gone the wrong way. No worries, it happens. Let me show you. Do you have your phone? Yes, I tried using the map, but I got confused. Okay, let me set up directions for you. Here we go. Just follow this path. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic light. The museum will be on your left. You'll see a big glass building with a banner outside. Oh, wow, I was going in the opposite direction. Thank you so much. No problem at all. The map will guide you now, but if you get turned around again, don't be afraid to ask someone else. I will. Honestly, thank you again. I was starting to panic a little. Totally understandable. Enjoy the museum. I will. You really saved my day.
Key phrases. I think I'm lost. I think I'm lost. I've been walking around for 20 minutes. I've been walking around for 20 minutes. Do you have your phone? Do you have your phone? Let me set up directions for you. Let me set up directions for you. Walk straight for 2 blocks. Walk straight for 2 blocks. You really saved my day. You really saved my day. Scene 5, in a hurry, finding the nearest subway station. A person is running late for a job interview and urgently needs to find the nearest subway station. He stopped a passerby on the street to ask for directions.
Hi, sorry to rush. I'm late for an interview. Can you tell me where the nearest subway station is?
Sure, you're close. Which station are you looking for?
Any station that goes downtown? I just need to get there fast.
Okay, take a deep breath. The closest station is just 1 block from here.
1 block? That's great. Which way?
Go straight ahead. At the corner, turn right. You'll see a blue sign that says Metro Station.
Okay, go straight. Then right at the corner. Got it. Is there an entrance on the street?
Yes, it's right next to a cafe with a red awning. There's a big stairway going down.
Awesome. Does the train come often?
Every 5 and 7 minutes, so you should be fine.
Thank you so much. I was going to panic.
No worries. Hope you make it in time.
Me too. You're a lifesaver. Have a great day.
Good luck.
Key phrases. Sorry to rush. Sorry to rush. I'm late for an interview. I'm late for an interview. Which way is the subway station? Which way is the subway station? Go straight ahead. Turn right at the corner. Go straight ahead. Turn right at the corner. You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver. Great job. Now you've learned how to ask for help and give directions in English. Try these conversations in real life. Thanks for watching Practical ESL Conversations. See you next time.